Here is NXT. I was requested for an analysis. A little bit interesting. I don't know what this gap is. Maybe it was just a charting error, I don't know. Or maybe it was actual real price gap. And if it was, it certainly was closed. There's a saying out there that says every gap, price gap, always gets closed, one way or another. If not now, it shall later on. I believe that's correct. So let's look at this. Wow. Let's count it first. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, after 5 waves, prices must correct in a 3-wave retrace. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's got to be a correction after that. So we have A, B, C. And this C at the tail end was very complex. Churning, chop, chop, chop. Very long, lethargic consolidation period. And then after an ABC, what does it mean? There has to be a resumption of the original trend. In this case, up. And the first indication of the resumption of the original trend is another impulsive wave. I was going to do 3, but I can't because this 4 here will overlap with the peak of 1. So that would be invalid if I did that. Okay. So if you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse, after every impulse you must have an ABC correction. And lo and behold, here it is. So we have ABC as an A, ABC as a B, ABC as a C. And the key is this the key question is this the bottom of the C? And the fact that it broke a support, a long support, and it pretty much stabbed it down. And it's a very 3-wave-ish looking, ABC looking. A certain degree of confidence can be given that this C is in. Oh, look at this. This is a daily chart. And the MACD is turning. So just earlier I had posted a Bitcoin update. Let me ask you. If you were here, would you be buying or selling? So at this point, it will be time to take sell actions. So what do you do here? This is a time to be taking buying actions. The MACD is about to go positive. If there is a further dip, one more dip, let's say, that's okay. Because based on the laddering that I use, the laddering will encompass somewhere between here and here in this range. So I buy some here, I buy some here, some here, 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 spread it out. I have other videos in the past that really detail out examples of laddering. I posted one last night. I'll put a link to it on this post. You can review that as well. So if this follows Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes up, prices will have to breach this line of resistance, the dotted red line. If it goes down a little more, what difference does it make? If you have ladder from here to here, you can have a different count, but the endpoint will be the same. Why? ABC. After an ABC, resumption of the primary trend occurs. That's up. Now let's look at this. Okay. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes subwaves of a higher level wave. 1, 2, okay. So we're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if it dips a little more. And this dipping will happen if Bitcoin decides to take a southern journey temporarily to the price range of 2,800 to 2,500, maybe even 2,000. So For now, that should do it for NXT.